Hello, I'm Derek, and I welcome another episode of the Derek Show. Today, I'm going to talk about my one of my favorite microcontrollers, the ESP32. And as you can see, I'm holding it now. It has a Pico board there, and I've plugged in the USB cable, and I'm looking at the two buttons on it. The first one at the bottom is the reset button, and the button on top is the boot button. I press them both to make sure that I'm ready to upload firmware. And as you can see, also since I plugged it in to USB to my USB port, it registers on my devices panel as a device, right? So now I'm going to flash it, and you'll see that I'll go through the flash and also run my program. And as you can see, it works fine, right? You can monitor exactly how the program's executing on the board. So that's all I want to show, because I had a little trouble at first figuring out how to flash the firmware onto this board, which I find is much more reliable, because the sample I used today for this video, actually it wouldn't work when I was using one of those cheap development boards from AliExpress. So this Pico one from official Pico one from Mouser is the one I'm going to go with from now on. Anyways, that's it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you'll watch again. Take care. Bye.